Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Myfxbook app full guide. Open the app, sign in, and then tap Add Account to link your trading account securely. Verify connection details, choose public or private permissions, and enable automatic sync. I will show how to set display preferences, adjust update frequency, and troubleshoot common connection errors so you can monitor performance with confidence and clarity. Open the dashboard to get a fast snapshot of your portfolio performance and key metrics. I explain how to add, remove, and resize widgets to highlight drawdown, win rate, and daily return. You will learn to open chart views for any metric, inspect individual trades, and compare time ranges so you can spot trends quickly and act on insights that matter for smarter trading decisions. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great because life is too short for a stinky car. I put a link and other deals in the description so you can find it easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Explore the app tools to automate monitoring and analysis of your trades and accounts. I show how to set price alerts, email notifications, and push messages for important events. You will learn to use correlation matrices and detailed statistics to evaluate strategy performance. Finally, export reports or share snapshots for collaboration or record keeping so you can improve strategy decisions over time with reliable data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.